Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this incubator which I have made, which have separate temperature meter and humidity meter and a timer. So it is working perfectly for the automatic system. For the temperature meter, I have used xh-w3001, which is controlling the heater inside, and for the humidity I have used xh-w3005, which is used for the humidity, and this circuit is xyj04, which is timer for the tray. So all these things are working perfectly: temperature, humidity and egg turning, which makes this incubator fully automatic, and we don't have to do anything unless we have to fill up the water by ourselves. So we have to open it and see inside. So temperature have been made, so it have closed the inside the heater which is working over here. The sensor and the humidity sensor is over here, which is sensing all the heat and humidity from here, and it's closing on and off all the heaters and the humidifier by itself. Here is the wiring. All the wiring is over here. This 12-watt supply is powering that fan, which is 0.40 12-watt, which is throwing the air from this heater to that heater and is turning the whole incubator in a perfect temperature. And this sensor, this timer is controlling this tray over here. I have set it to 10 by 5, so it's gonna turn on. Now it's working, turning the egg, and after that it will turn off. So it is a very simple system. I have converted this manual turning incubator into fully automatic incubator, which you can see in the previous video. I have also make this setting of this circuit and the wiring of all of these three circuits. You can search Max Workshop and search the model number and you can see them. Over here you can see I have used USB humidifier, which is making a very good humidity right here. I have used this mug, that's why I couldn't use this manual turner over here. So it will go into here, or you can use this kind of tray, both of the trays over here, and use that water bowl over here. So it is a very simple method of making incubator. If you want to make your incubator, you can search on Matt's Workshop and see all the methods of making incubators. You can see I have placed the styrofoam all over the place, top, back, on the bottom, and sides are aluminum sheet, which is concealed the heating and humidity inside, and only thing which is not covered is the front side. So it is gonna work very well. There is no any kind of ventilation hole, you can see. So I have made this ventilation hole from the front side. The fresh air is going in from the downside of the hinges of the door, and the carbon dioxide is coming out from here. So we don't have to make extra kind of holes on the back side. If you couldn't make this kind of extra holes, you have to make onto the back side 2 points onto the top and 2 points to the bottom side, pencil size holes, so it can get a nice oxygen and carbon dioxide inlet and outlet of the air. So this is a very good and nice system. If you want to know any kind of wiring, you can search Max Workshop Matt's workshop, and you can see all the wiring of these circuits as well. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.